Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Dinner Party Diva, and I am Rochelle. Today I wanted to share with you a tablescape I did a few months ago. I did a brunch for the girls. I found this plate at Home Goods, and that was kind of my inspiration. When I saw it, I thought, oh, that would be cute for a brunch with the girls. So I got the linens on Amazon. Then I used these palm leaf placemats that I found at Michael's. And then I recently was at Hobby Lobby, it was probably about maybe a month ago. And I found more of those placemats. So I grabbed a few more to add to my collection. I use these mango wood chargers. I got those at Belk. Then my plate. And then my matching linen. Everybody knows I like to use cloth napkins. And a dessert cup that we had fruit in. I found these cute lemons at Kirklands. And then I used my label maker and put my name on it. And I used it as a place card holder. Well, that's what I guess a name. And then I got this awesome silverware from my cousin, and I'm not sure where she got it from, but I just love this gold silverware. And the edging of the plates have gold around them. And then my stemware. And that was the tablescape I used for the girls for brunch. I also got, I just wanted to show you, the lemons come in a bag at Kirklands. Looks like you get about a dozen of them. But it was going with the same theme, so thought it would be cute. I also wanted to show you the little gifts that I had for everyone. So this is hand soap, shea butter hand cream, and then the Sunshine and Lemons hand sanitizer. I don't have any more of the bags that I had, but I wanted to show you what everybody got. And then this is the container that the hand soaps came in, and I got this at TJ Maxx. Hey divas, and that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and until the next dinner party.